here with pregnancy tip day 4. We are actually going to go over another alternative for that psoas stretch we showed you last week in case you can't do it with a partner. So what we're going to do is we are going to lay down on a table and I'm going to show you a simpler version of this stretch. Now, one of the main benefits of stretching this psoas muscle is a lot of the times to alleviate a lot of pressure on the low back region and get rid of some of that low back pain you might experience. But another benefit of it is it actually has been shown that the looser your psoas muscle is, the more comfortable your birth experience is. Because when your psoas muscle is tight, it's essentially holding you in this position, which makes it really hard for baby to come into this world. Okay, so I'm going to show you a stretch for this. Now this one is a little bit more intense, but you can do it by yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the edge of a bed. You're going to sit down and your butt is going to go right here. You want your hips to be supported on the bed and you're going to raise that leg up. And you're actually stretching the opposite side. So when we go this way, we're pulling up, we're stretching right through here. And you don't want your leg to be dropping down below into past neutral like you would normally do for this stretch. You want to keep it right about here. So the next variation I'm going to show you is a very simple way to stretch your psoas. You can do this later on in pregnancy when that move that I just showed you gets too intense, because as your belly gets bigger, it's going to be really hard to pull that other leg up. So when that happens, you can move on to this one. You're going to lay down just on your bed, and you're just going to let this leg drop open to the side. And it's just going to fall out, and you should feel the stretch right through here. You can take this hand and apply a little pressure down just to get it to open up a little bit more, but you don't really want to force it. You can go ahead and do this on both sides, just like that. So I just showed you 2 variations of the psoas stretch you can do to help make your pregnancy more comfortable and delivery a little bit easier for you. Stay tuned, because next time we're going to talk about pubic symphysis dysfunction, which I know a lot of you have asked about, so we're going to make a video about that next. So follow along for more information and more pregnancy tips.